Terms and conditions. Legal notice. The publisher has strived to be as accurate and complete as possible in the creation of this report, notwithstanding the fact that he does not warrant or report at any time that content with an accurate due to the rapidly changing nature of the internet. While all the attempts have been made to verify information provided in this publication, the publisher assumes no responsibility for errors, omissions, or contrary interpretation of the subject matter herein. Any perceived slights of specific person, people, or organization or unintentionally. In particular, advice book like anything else in life, there are no guarantors of income mad reader or cautions to rely on their one judgment about their individual circumstances to act accordingly. This book is not intended for use as a source of legal business, accounting, or financial advice. All reader are advised to seek service of component professional is legal, business, accounting, and finance field. You are encouraged to print this book for easy reading. Table of content. Forward. Chapter 1 Social Bookmarking Basis. Chapter 2 The Best Social Bookmarking Sites. Chapter 3 The Difference Between Do Follow and No Follow. Chapter 4 Learn the difference between bookmarking sites. Chapter 5 Submit your content. Chapter 6 The benefit of social bookmarking for internet marketing. Warping of forward. The social bookmarking tool plays a rather significant part in the Web 2.2 platform, being part of any online bookmarking service such as Dig or Reader allow the individual to bookmark a particularly interesting content piece while surfing the internet. The distinct difference between simply bookmarking and social bookmarking tool would lie in the fact that later allow the material bookmarked to be shared with other instantaneously or it Social bookmarking technique. Network marketing tips for social bookmarking. Chapter 1 Social bookmarking basis. Synopsis. Sharing can be done with the newly bookmarked content being with other who is using the same service, thus creating a more interactive participant of the various parties with like-minded interest. Being able to gain immediate access to the bookmarked material through individual members' account is also quite advantageous. Passing on valuable, interesting content is definitely as Paul's point when using the social bookmarking tool create a platform for interactive participation of sort within like-minded individual. The basis. The social bookmarking tool used quite extensible to build blackline promote site. The webmaster find this very effective style to use that is both easy and effective and get the desired result. From a promotional point, these tools work well when the bookmarked material on a site is then linked back to the individual site. This can then be viewed by the other who can in turn lead referral traffic from the social bookmarking site. Social bookmarking activate also added diversity to the link profile. This mark the link development more content rich and interesting. Ideally, this will cause the buzz that will attract the attention of other users, elevating the site popularity effectively. Social bookmarking can be used as part of wide online promotional strategy. but it should be done with caution so as not to contribute to a confusing and will focus site. Chapter 2. The best social bookmarking site. Synopsis. Being ranked as among the best social bookmarking site by those improved to do so is both informative. The helpful is one need this kind of information for any number of varied reasons. The following are some of the more current and highly ranked social bookmarking sites and available for pursuit. Good place. Twitter. This tool facilitates the sending the reading online text-based information. The character counted are only up to 140 and such the material posted is done in a conscious manner using a lot of jargon. As a social news website, this particular site has it is one loyal following which is considered the cornerstone element of the letting people be part of the investment as to the popularity of a posting. The voting done by either the upward or downward trend and quality digging and varying respectively is a what contribute to its popularity. Stumble upon. This is a form of a web search engine known as the discovery engine and it find and recommended web content to interested parties. The principal adapted for the rating process is done on pair sourcing base. User rate on the web page photo and video that have been posted according to the personalized tastes and interests. Reddit. This is also site where social news is submitted by registered user. The content are submitted in the form of tweet link for text self-posted. Other users build the common voting process to create the appropriate posting positioning the voting exercise stabilize. This is a turn determine the posting of the site page and front page. BuzzFeed. This is a website that combines a technology platform with the specific intention of the detecting viral content. It is accompanied with the additional section process provided a snapshot of the web in real time. This tool is a much sought after tool of obvious reason. Chapter 3. The difference between do follow and no follow. Synopsis. The important factor among the SEO ranking element that eventually lead to in the influence of ranking process are the do follow and no follow features. There is two features are used to with regard to the blocks or size of the search engine. As the value of the page type in with the ranking, there's a future are definitely worth understanding. The differences. No follow tag is HTML future value that is used to ensure that search engine that should be influenced for it is hyperlink. The link targets ranking in the reach engine index in the basically gauge tower reducing the effective of some type of search engine spam exercise. This will contribute to the improved quality of search engine result and prevent any spam links from appearing. When website host provided link back to the site using the no follow feature, then it will not be considered by Google, thus allowing a link have no impact on the website ranking. However, with the use of the do follow tag, there will be some here in the page rank as the link will be considered by Google and thus improve the actual site ranking. The following is an example of a do follow and no follow link structure. Do follow links. There is no need to specify the actually turn follow in the structure makeup as even it is not started or left out altogether it will go on to be treated as do follow features. The no follow links on the other hand have to be specified. The link should have the no follow tag and then to make sure it is not followed. Also to be noted is the fact that are two types of no follow tags. The robot meta tag style and the link style. The robot meta tag name robot content no followers. Instruction the boards curves and spider not to the following link seen on the page. The link attribute. No followers. Instruction the search engine to ignore the link for ranking purpose. Chapter 4. Learn the difference between bookmarking site. Synopsis. In order to reap the optimum benefit from the various bookmarking sites available, it is first important to understand the site individually and their varied difference before making the choice best suited to the need of the individual. What are the difference? Most business endeavors come to provide various different requirement and immediate need to should be some serious search done before deciding which tools best contribute to the positive desired outcome. Each social media tool come with the different set of rules, target audience based expectations on design and thus finding tools that cater to every aspect of the need is both important and necessary is ensuring that desired outcome is reached. Using the social bookmarking site allow an individual to store, organize search and manage the favorite feature or content material of the web page online. There are also features available for sharing the content with other either in a individualistic way or as a group. This may include examples such as Digo, Blinklist, and Simply. Therefore, a difference really lie in the reason for using making particular choices rather than in the application itself. How the bookmaking site are used for the advertisement possibility is better and more effective at the particular time. Dig revolves around and the members posting relevant material to the site and getting the desired attention to the material posted. As for Delicious, it played for part in creating tag for the freely chosen indexing terms which help to create the access to other user to view the current blogged topic. StumbleUpon is unique product on the web that created the interest in the host and material posted. It is touted to be among the easier and most enjoying of all the bookmarking tool currently available. Chapter 5. Submit your content. Synopsis. There are various categories to narrow down into how and what content submitted in order to ensure that material is favorable, accepted, and viewed. The following are some point of to consider when submitting content for the various platforms. Getting it out there. Website owner. This category requires the ability to present or post material that increasing visibility of the site on the internet. The material must be able to draw and attention of the search engine for optimization purpose. The Google platform will ensure the material is well distributed for its content value across the web. Business owner. This is basically generated to the create to the online and local merchandise where proud to use solid information is exchanged. The details provided about the business entity, such as the physical store location, access, and other related information, is posted attractive in the customer to the website. Publishing and media also use the platform to facilitate the search and sales title through the e-book store. The implement of the distribution monetary gain and control access are all features that provided for. There is also the news and video content available through Google. Publish agency or NGO. Their resource can also be used to create awareness of the existing of the various agents, providing information such as location information, ongoing and future activities, and other related material on the movement will help to create the visibility online. The actually submission process is a fairly simply and requires just a little time and effort. The first step would be to logging and it individual is yet on resigning that then would have to be done first prior to the logging site. Upon logging in, the members can contribute a wide variety of content material to the web franchise community. However, in the order to get into the CEO realm on recognize, it is not advised to post the best content as this will take away element of surprise when the actual list of submission is per you. Chapter 6. The benefit of social bookmarking for internet marketing. Synopsis. The added advantage of having the social bookmarking facilitate the frequency of the search engine robot and indexing tools on the page and content is very important to the visibility factor. The advantage. With the valuable Blackline link and the help point to particular URL will also create the much needed attention. The social bookmarking tool also optimizes the potential to promote the website content for the furtherness of the internet marketing for their be reaching the larger potential target audience base. Being able to use the bookmarking or save a link from the other site and then use them to provide useful information to those seeking is through internet marketing various tool is also positive move to make. Another benefit would be in term of cost, which is a virtual and non-existent. This is a free platform to advertising for business marketing and the potential reach of the tools is basically unlimited. Through this wide exposure, the visibility of the business can be also used by the target of other site and use causes even bigger enhancement of the endeavor. As competitor get through on the revenue earning possibility become more challenging, this forum free advertising the both needed and welcomed. New viewing possibility from the wide reach will benefit the business marketing industry as the benefit become evident in the product or service book market. Working off. Social bookmarking can effectively function as threshold to the really post where the views and encourage you to explore future in the order to get to the desired information. Having a good service for or product or business portfolio will not benefit if the right target audience is not reached in order to turn all this into revenue earning creating a platform where the business is made as visible and as accessible as possible is where the social bookmarking tools come in.